I am making with my mom today. So say hi to my mom.
Hi everyone.
So let's start. First, what do we have to do?
We are going to make sun.
Okay, but how do we cut this sun?
Make a circle.
Oh, you're almost at the end. Hooray! Good.
Oh, it is.
Show me. Aw, so cute.
And rose.
Oh my god. Look, googly. Now which color are we gonna do for the...
This only, it will look nice. Do you want to add something?
Yes.
And another one?
Look guys, it's looking so cute. Ah,
Okay, let's
wait.
make them.
Guys, let's make an indie. What are you making?
Some of the rays.
Oh, but why are you making orange rays? It will look weird, na?
No, we are making the Independence Day sun. So
Oh.
it should be tricolor, right?
Yeah.
Because orange, white and green makes it tricolor.
Oh, now I get it. But look over, this is wide. Look, size.
So you are making, it's okay, try to make it straight.
I just want you. Should I cut it?
Rays.
Oh, but I like
Let's
this triangle
start.
rays. Especially I made one like this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I do the putting part?
I'll keep it here.
Wow,
Okay.
Then what are this for?
First we'll put
Bad.
yeah.
Looks like a bad with... Should you flip paper? Should we flip?
See? Right. What are you doing?
I'm putting some glue on this so the rays cannot fall down.
That's nice. Not the sun. This is the back side.
Oh! I don't want it to get out of the lines. Is it? Freedom shines bright. Look guys, this looks like a tricolor flag. Look friends. See